Hi there, my name is Ardie Smeltzer from Sofin, Halifax, Nova Scotia, Canada. I'd like to do this song I wrote, and it's called Beautiful Freedom Like a Bird. The song goes like this. When I hear the birds singing, another day that God is bringing, oh, the trees are branching out to me. On the water, the high waves, all the beauty that God gave. I'm so blessed for all that you have done. Sometimes it rains when it pours, sometimes we do not score, and we give up and don't know what to do. We say a little prayer to the Father that really cares. He hears us even though we think he don't. When I hear the birds singing, another day that God is bringing, oh, the trees are branching out to me. On the water, the high waves, all the beauty that God gave. I'm so blessed for all that you have done. Yes, I am blessed for all that you have done. Thank you very much, and have a great day. Bye now.